Hey guys, so I've had a little bit of questions about people using different channels to kind of control who can see what within the lesson. And so I thought I'd just go through a kind of like a little how-to of how to kind of use sort of sub-channels. And this is kind of for three uses. So Rory Cooper asked me about how do you do group work where he can just nip in and see how they're getting on within having separate meetings. I had a question about one-on-ones in French, and then also I had a question from Darren about having running kind of like a quiz with like Articulate, where you wanted to be able to have like a side chat with a pupil, and so I think all of these fit in quite well to that. So just going to go into the computing department because it's a fairly innocuous group, and then along here I can click in add channel. So okay, and so up here I can give the channel name, so group chat, give it a description, and then under here we can say private, only accessible to specific people within the team. Click next, and I'll add the channel, and then you can add specific people to the group. So I'll add David, and then add. And you can also control what they can do. So like if you were creating groups for working, for like in group work, you could set one pupil to be the owner of a group. Okay, and then you can see here that this, you've got a little padlock appears, and then next to it we can manage the channel and add members. So these are the two things that you can do in order to set the members to be different pupils. And so you could do this dynamically by booting people out and adding people to it, and also Rory rightly pointed out that you can actually only be in 4 meetings at a given time, so you need to make sure that you leave one meeting and go into another if you've got multiple groups working at the same time. But that's effectively how you would manage having different groups within your class working at the same time. Thanks.